Yo, what is going on, guys? And welcome back to the time I got Reincarnated as a slime. Last episode was kind of random like the first OVA. The second one, I mean, we see a little bit of fan service, and the episode was basically them trying to make a beanbag. So I don't remember their names. The princess and the secretary. I know their positions. Basically, so they started messing with movies. They basically put them apart, trying they both want to hold them and shit. So the rest of the episode was they came down there. Interesting scene, I'll say, with the technicals and shit. He knows super shit. I mean, a little bit of fan service. So that's what I'm guessing from these, like a little bit of fan service with a whole bunch of randomness. And basically what OVAs be. Mine's is fan service. Most animes not fan service. No, that's a lot. That's a lot. Never mind. I mean, I'm interested to see, I guess, what this was gonna be about. So I guess let's right into it. Oh, the kids. I haven't been that long since we seen them. It's been what, episode 22, 23? You know him? Oh, he really is Mosen. I didn't know slimes can melt, but I got everybody just be fucking glazing here, bro. I mean, to them, he did save all of them, so I think it's fair. What? You saw killing composure and you seeing that? Oh. I don't like the owl, he can feel that. I'm scared you that too. It was supposed to be on me, I'm like, ah! Alright. Wait, with you? That's what you meant? Oh, that's... What the fuck? Is that what they meant? But that looks like Marcelo, I was confused. Spiking me is crazy. Spiking me is crazy work. Got COVID. That's not funny. It's a little funny. I mean, we could just heal her, can't she? We can heal better energy. Can you heal like sicknesses? Is there remedy talking about Rimru's slime? What in the thief? Oh. Okay. Yeah, it's like a saying that I don't understand. Come on, cook. I'm happy, you know what I'm saying, my hairline like that. My hairline already not that good, but being back there, put me on a watch list, bro. Just no. Okay, broken into. You about planning graduation for the kids? I'm seeing. These teachers? Okay, I picked that up pretty quickly when he caught him Rimuru Sensei. Yeah, no, I'm just around. Yeah, look at the facial expression. I did send some, now some backhandedness. Now, so you got so much free time, you're so lucky. So are y'all teaching the same students? Oh, other kids here, that makes a lot more sense. Seems pretty chill. Look at his face. Face all crunched up and shit. And not even hide his funniness. What are you trying to say? But is it the challenge? That's like challenging you. Oh, they get the armor if they close, and they weapon if their face. Dang. Came here to the slap his nuts, basically, bro. Can make armor. If he clones some shit. I mean, that's what he was doing the whole time. But he's going to prove that class is better than you. Interesting. I see, like, his posture. Hips, like, out. Forwards. 5-7 days? Oh my goodness. Another one? Football! So that's what he was doing. The old man is stuck in there. Oh, no, man, and they're getting work put on him. Man, right there with the scars. I got he actually putting the value in money. But he couldn't just infinite money glitch it. I guess make you try harder if you get some more, maybe? Yeah, I think it's fun to see what they do now. What's wrong with a graduation cap? The orange hair guy, he already got a sword. Johnny already got shit. Yes. Nobody getting hype. Oh, just want to sit here and do nothing? Yeah, I got way stronger. Yeah, see? Oh, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I thought they maturing a little bit. You know what I'm saying? They still 9, 10, 11 years old, but that's why I'm talking to normal people now. You weren't the shield hero, bro. I'm about to say shield are lame as fuck. But let's you the shield hero, that shit lame, still. I don't know what your powers are. You train to a beast. Not sure that'll work. Like, maybe some claws or something. Students with little sharp knives? This hurricane? You saying yeah? I'd have said fuck no. Boy, they're gonna get Ninja Turtle. They're not getting nothing. Oh. I'm still not used to that, I won't lie. Get those out. It's all on the money too. Dude, none of them are reading this shit. I want to say, like, when you want to go outside and stick that shit out. Bro, he went out to that to give you the book, like, figure it out. They can summon. Oh, it's told for that thing with G. Are we seeing everybody at POP? I think we need everybody. Oh shit. Is that what they do every time? Is that? How the fuck y'all jump out so quick? They get a welcome party every time? I probably need some shit like this, bro. When I get every time I leave the house, you go, oh my god, came outside. Did I get the listener guy, bro? What? Oh yeah, training. Off road. Got that handy? Good. Oh my goodness. I said, why is she acting like that? I was like confused. Like, damn, that's why he was out so much. He's like having kids. Damn, that's like clean. That little ass shield. You're not blocking shit. Oh, that's a big shit down there, though. That's so candy. I'm gonna say. I gotta remember that. We just make that up. He kind of, they make that up, bro. I remember like that. What the fuck? That's what I need, bro. I need like a whole group of niggas so I come back. Oh my god, my king, you're back! That's what I need, bro. Now Lee, they got to start crying and shit. Don't worry, I'll come back. Like, what the fuck? Oh, he had him they're okay. I can't, you know, some like, can't nigga compliments nowadays. You stay a little. I'm like a little knife. Oh, oh no, that's the plan. The courage. Oh shit. I think they have like windows or something so you can hop out and shoot whatever you want to. Cars in the toilet? That's it clean too. That's what I'm looking at. Only, oh shit. They call it a fupa? Oh, that's not what that is. my bad. A pull-out couch. Oh yeah, I kind of figured that. Oh damn. Sure. Oh shit. I didn't. Yeah, I kind of just figured Rango was doing it. Just tell me something. Oh. What the fuck? I've never seen something so ugly. Like, oh my goodness, bro. Hunchback of death. He has the OAD, so it's like, I think more out of you. So, do something in that. Pretty nice. Well, I don't see what other classes gonna have. But he's watching. Curious now. What is it? Hey. I kind of like Lachlan's haircut. That's how Lachlan look, bro. But this guy not part of the training? Well, we've seen these guys before. These guys who beat up outside the elf village. That's a Rimroot potion. Power of enslavement is crazy. And they don't even know. Is he a hostage? Or is he with y'all? He got 2 drinks. Oh, he is a part of them. I was thinking with the shades, bro. There was some shit when he got closed in. Oh, that's not normal. But I mean, I wasn't expecting this. I remember being a teacher. I'm not even sure I'm supposed to react to all these back to back. But I am. I mean, nothing really happened because OVAs don't really spoil you anything. I think it's fair if I watch how much is that right. But remember being a teacher again? I mean, I guess I did expect that. I know it's gonna be a one-off thing. I didn't think at least. But because it did come up kind of randomly. Like he was like, oh yeah, I got to be a teacher, and it just happened. This episode it was over. It was over. But now we got interested in what season 2 could be like. I mean, because this is pretty random. I don't think they're connected to the main series at all. It's just fun to watch though. But I don't know the thing. I mean, considering this one was nothing really like the other ones. I was like fan service. It wasn't really, well, it wasn't any fan service actually. I mean, maybe a little bit with the pool thing, but I feel like I'm used to that. So the hot spring thing. I feel like I'm used to that, so it's not really fan service. But I don't know what to think. I mean, I am interested in seeing, I guess, what it could be like because it did say part 1, I think. So part 2, part 3, and then that's season 3. Oh, season 2. But yeah, I'm interested in seeing, I guess, what's next. So I guess I just any tips I heard of. So if you got some more time I got recurring Islam, like subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.